Hey everybody. So I wanted to make a quick little video this morning to share something with you that you've probably never realized that you can do from within PowerPoint. Turns out we've kind of always had this ability, but we've just not used it. So instead of searching all around the web to find the best tool to do asynchronous lectures, one option is to simply use PowerPoint. So right now, what I've done, and this is so super easy, within PowerPoint there is a button that you've probably never even noticed before. If you go over on the tabs to the part where you're essentially telling PowerPoint where to begin, right? Do you start the presentation at the beginning or at your current slide? You can select to record your presentation. If you do that, you can also tell it where to start recording. So on which slide do you want to start recording? And then a screen will pop up with your slide on it. Like right now, as I'm recording this, I see the slide and I see me at the bottom. And there are options even from within this program. You can draw all over your slides and someone, the people who then view your PowerPoint will see that. You can do lots of like wild things from within here. You can add notes. You could do all of these different things. So for me though, let's say I am just doing my presentation. I'm wanting to talk about whatever it is that we're talking about. So what's funny is probably right now you're like, oh my gosh, she teaches a class on fashion? Not exactly. So I like to do clicker questions during the semester. And some of my clicker questions are essentially just kind of making sure that people are awake or giving them a point for engaging that day, checking to make sure people are there, an attendance point. So this is one of those points. Would you ever wear these other than at Halloween? Now, I'll show you really quickly. I'm going to go through a slide or two that what ends up happening with clicker slides, of course, you can see what the students thought. So 42% of the class said that they would do it if the price was right. But then it goes to the next slide. So then we have, we continue to go forward. And you'll still see me at the bottom. And then you could save this as a PowerPoint slide, share. And then when students go to watch the videos, then they'll see you at the bottom and your slides. And this, come here. She's downstairs. This is my son, who, by the way, all parents who are home with children will have to deal with this during this time. So everyone should just know that that's going to be happening. But this is one really cool tool, so I wanted to share it with you. And then you just share your PowerPoint. You don't even need to upload this anywhere else other than just give your students your PowerPoint. Have a good rest of the day, y'all. Stay healthy.